After days of chaos, there was finally some relief for the flood-battered people of Chennai as a break in rain overnight helped reduce water levels of the Adyar and Kumbh rivers, thus easing large-scale flooding. While intermittent rain has been forecast for Chennai over the next 24 hours, coastal and interior Tamil Nadu will receive more rain in that period. NDRF Chief O.P. Singh said the situation had improved in the city overnight as water levels in many areas receded. There was a sharp fall in the discharge of waters from lakes as well, leading to reduction in the water levels of the two rivers that crisscross the city. Rescue and relief operations are continuing in full swing, and the National Disaster Response Force will intensify its operations in the affected areas on Friday. 5 NDRF teams from Punjab have reached Chennai at 3 a.m. on Friday morning. The NDRF head said, adding, "We've rescued more than 9,000 people so far." He added that power has been restored in several areas that were not waterlogged and the communications network has also improved.